Welcome to Bioverse. In this video, we will explain the complete pathway for international students who want to become nurses in Australia. Step 1. Choose your nursing pathway. You can study a Diploma of Nursing to become an enrolled nurse or a Bachelor of Nursing to become a registered nurse. Step 2. Meet the English requirements. You need PTE 65 overall, or IELTS 7 in each band, or OET with a B in all subtests. Step 3. Apply for a student visa. After receiving your confirmation of enrollment, apply for the subclass 500 visa and obtain OSHC health cover. Step 4. Complete your nursing studies. You will learn theory in class and complete clinical placement hours in real healthcare settings. Step 5. Apply for AHPRA registration after graduation. Submit your identity documents, English results, and police checks to receive your nursing registration. Last and the final step. Start working as a registered nurse or enrolled nurse in hospitals, aged care, clinics, or community health. Thanks for watching Bioverse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.